Hello friends, day 141. Started off on the hill fort that I camped in last night, Castle-an-Dinas. I had a look around up there and then came down onto the roads, and most of today was on roads, which is quite tiring on the feet, but it did take me through the fabulously named Indian Queens. It makes me think of a movie with Anthony Hopkins, as in the Indian, the motorcycle, and maybe some very camp motorcyclists, or perhaps a camp Bollywood movie, who knows. Anyway, Indian Queens it was. Stocked up on food there and then carried on along the roads, and there was a section through the woods at St Clement Woods, and that was quite pleasant. Made a break from the tarmac, and I had a good chat with my friend Sarah this afternoon as well, which was lovely. And one of the things that she suggested was that the final movie on this trip ought to have I'm Still Standing by Elton John as its theme music. Now sadly YouTube won't let me do that, but it did make me think that perhaps you'd like to put in the comments the song that you think would be most fitting if we were allowed to use it. And whilst you're about it, why not have a think about the actor that could play me in the movie that's bound to come up after all this. The news on Big Agness 2 is that I checked it really thoroughly last night and found 2 more leaks, which have been plugged, and it's now leak free. So I had a good solid 10-hour sleep last night. Amazing. As planned, I got to Truro today and I've had a nice meal at the Italian restaurant in town. So let's have a look at where I've been today, and I'll see you on the trail.